Have you ever wished you got in on Bitcoin or Ethereum before they took off and made early investors incredibly wealthy? The cryptocurrency market is still relatively new and volatile, which means there are always opportunities to find the next breakout crypto before it explodes in value. While investing in any crypto carries major risks, today I'll share 5 keys that can help you spot cryptocurrencies with massive growth potential before they go to the moon. From analyzing the fundamentals to watching for catalysts, these tips will put you in a better position to get in early on the next breakout crypto. Of course, there are never any guarantees when it comes to investing, but increasing your chances of finding the next 100x crypto gem can lead to life-changing profits if you get it right. So let's dive into the 5 keys to look for. Key number 1: strong use case and real-world utility. The cryptocurrencies that have seen the biggest gains and longevity are the ones that solve a real problem and have true utility beyond just being a speculative asset. Bitcoin's decentralized digital currency, Ethereum's smart contracts, Solana's high transaction speeds. Successful cryptos bring something valuable to the table. When evaluating a crypto project's use case, ask yourself if there is a legitimate need it aims to fulfill in the market. Does it improve upon existing solutions or offer something novel that could be massively disruptive in fields like finance, supply chain, gaming, or data storage? Strong use cases are often found by examining the project's white paper and development roadmap. Look for detail on the technology being built, the challenges it solves, and its go-to-market strategy. Vague white papers or extremely complex projects can be red flags. Additionally, pay attention to the experience and credibility of the founding team. Seeing respected experts and accomplished leaders provides more confidence in their ability to execute on their vision compared to anonymous teams. While a strong use case alone doesn't guarantee success, it is usually a prerequisite for any crypto with explosive growth potential. The best time to get in was often during the early building phase before the utility reached the mainstream. Key number 2: growing real-world adoption. Even with a great use case, a crypto ultimately needs adoption by real users, businesses, or major partners to drive sustainable value growth. Carefully analyze the evidence that significant players are actually using or integrating the crypto's products or services. Some indicators of growing adoption include listings on major crypto exchanges, high levels of daily transactions, partnerships with recognized brands or institutions, developers building apps and projects on the network, and a rapidly expanding user base. Monitor news feeds for meaningful adoption milestones being achieved. For instance, when a major payment processor like Visa announces crypto integration or a Fortune 500 company reveals they are utilizing a blockchain for supply chain management, these are powerful endorsements driving legitimacy. On the other hand, a supposedly revolutionary crypto that hasn't seen any meaningful real-world usage after several years should raise skepticism over its long-term viability versus the hype. Key number 3: robust community. Successful cryptocurrencies tend to have incredibly passionate, dedicated communities rallying behind the project's mission. These engaged supporters don't just buy and hold the crypto, they actively spread awareness, educate others, build on the network, and galvanize more people to join the movement. You can get a sense of a project's community strength by looking at the activity levels across its social media channels, forums, Reddit pages, Discord chat, and any other communication hubs. Healthy communities will have high levels of discourse with people asking questions, proposing ideas, and collaborating. Additionally, track indicators like the number of code contributions to the project's GitHub repository from independent developers. Rising numbers signal an attractive ecosystem that builders want to be part of. In contrast, crypto projects with waning community engagement and toxic, manipulative members usually struggle to build anything sustainable long-term. An impassioned, fast-growing community is often among the first catalysts that can propel a breakout crypto upwards as more people pile in. Key number 4: unique and competitive advantages. In a crowded cryptocurrency landscape with thousands of different projects, the ones that truly break out often have unique or innovative technological advantages that help them stand apart. For instance, cryptocurrencies like Solana, Avalanche, and Polygon initially attracted attention for their ultra-fast transaction speeds and low fees compared to Ethereum. Others like Monero and Zcash focus on enhanced privacy for transactions. Research factors like a crypto's consensus mechanism, security model, throughput capacity, interoperability, and other differentiating tech that could give it an edge. Look for clear competitive advantages over existing crypto leaders and solutions. Unique tokenomics models that align incentives for users and sustainable growth can also set cryptocurrencies apart from the pack. Innovative tech alone doesn't ensure success, but it often serves as a catalyst for attracting developers, users, and investors to a new cryptocurrency project. Key number 5. Hype and catalyzing events. Even with the best use case and technology, cryptocurrencies often need a significant catalyst or surge of hype to skyrocket their price and exposure into the stratosphere. This excitement can come from major events, announcements, or simply increasing buzz around the project. Pay attention to any high-profile developments like key partnership reveals, major exchange listings, or complete product launches after years of building. These types of events that indicate a project is making significant progress can generate intense speculation and FOMO, fear of missing out. Catalysts like the first wave of real-world adoption by recognized brands, first major fundraising rounds by notable investors, funds, or high-level government acknowledgement can also trigger exponential awareness and price spikes. You'll also want to monitor the general hype and social media sentiment around a cryptocurrency. Rising mainstream media coverage, rapidly growing subreddit members, increasing Google search trends, and active discussion on Twitter and Telegram can signal an incoming mania phase. Quantifiable metrics like big spikes in daily trading volume and the number of new wallet addresses being created can indicate a crypto is heating up. Major crypto influencers and analysts touting a project as the next big thing often accelerates hype cycles. Of course, catalyzing events and hype alone don't make for a sustainable, successful cryptocurrency. But they can provide a window of opportunity to get in extremely early on a quality project before a potential price explosion as mainstream awareness kicks in. Closing thoughts. While there's no way to predict with certainty which cryptos will break out, leveraging the 5 keys of strong utility, adoption, community, technological advantages, and catalyzing hype will put you in a better position to spot cryptocurrencies with massive growth potential early. As always, make sure to do your full research, invest wisely within your means, and take profits along the way if you do happen to get in before the next 100x crypto gem. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you have any other tips for finding breakout cryptos.